Most people live with quiet money anxiety every single day. They check their bank balance, worry about bills, and wonder if they're already too late to invest. Paychecks come in, money goes out, and wealth feels like something meant for someone else. Social media tells us wealth looks flashy and loud. We're taught that money comes from big wins, hot tips, and perfect timing. But the truth is, most real millionaires don't look rich at all, and they don't chase hype. Doing nothing feels safe, but it's quietly dangerous. Inflation eats your money while you wait on the sidelines. The biggest regret isn't losing money, it's realizing you never even started. What if the people with the most money don't look rich at all? Hey, I'm Ethan, and welcome to Ethan's Money Library, Building Wealth, one book at a time. Today, we're breaking down The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley, so hit subscribe. This is for education only, and stay with me to learn how real wealth is actually built. Most real millionaires don't look rich at all. They don't chase luxury or try to impress anyone because they understand something most people miss. Wealth isn't what you show, it's what you keep and quietly grow over time. Wealth is built through consistency, not big flashy moves. If someone simply saves $500 a month for 30 years, that's $180,000 saved before any investment growth. Small, boring habits done for decades quietly create freedom most people never reach. A paid-off car feels better than impressing strangers at a red light. High income with high spending keeps people trapped, while moderate income with discipline builds control. As Epictetus said, wealth isn't about having more, it's about wanting less. Millionaires don't try to predict the market because they know nobody gets it right every time. Instead of waiting for perfect timing, they invest steadily through ups and downs. Consistency gives them progress even when the world feels uncertain. Think about it this way, $10 a day is roughly $300 a month. That doesn't sound dramatic, but small habits quietly compound over time. Millionaires win because they stay in the game longer than everyone else. Most people wait for motivation or the perfect moment, and that moment never comes. Wealth works more like the gym. Progress comes from showing up even when you don't feel like it. Success is just small efforts repeated, day after day. Budgeting isn't about saying no to life, it's about saying yes to what truly matters. Millionaires don't guess where their money went. They decide where it goes before they spend it. That's why budgeting gives them freedom, not frustration. Millionaires track their money so every dollar has a job. Even something small, like a $5 coffee, adds up when you see it over a full year. Awareness turns spending into a conscious choice instead of a habit. Many people avoid budgets because they think they're limiting, but that belief keeps them lost. A budget is like a map, it doesn't control you, it guides you. And when you know the direction, money arguments fade and confidence takes over. Self-control is the real superpower of millionaires. They don't chase every desire or impulse just because they can afford it. Instead, they delay gratification and live below their means, knowing patience builds real wealth. Avoiding just one unnecessary $200 expense each month may not feel exciting today, but that small decision quietly becomes $2,400 every year. Working for your future. Millionaires understand that boring discipline beats flashy spending every time. The real danger is lifestyle creep. When income rises, every raise feels like permission to upgrade cars, homes, and habits. Millionaires pay rent to their future selves first, choosing long-term freedom over short-term pleasure. Real millionaires live simply. They don't chase flashy lifestyles, they chase peace. Consistency beats perfect timing. Budgeting gives freedom, and self-control quietly builds wealth. Wealth isn't loud or dramatic. It's calm, boring, and incredibly powerful for those patient enough to build it. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more book-based money lessons. Share this with a friend who feels stuck. Now tell me in the comments, what's one spending habit you want to change? And do you feel pressure to look rich even when you're not? This is Ethan's Money Library, Building Wealth, one book at a time. Thanks for watching. Your future self will thank you for starting today.